Did you know the first cakes were simple, made from grains and honey, long before ovens were invented? Roman emperors enjoyed sweet treats too, with early versions of cakes at their lavish feasts. In the Middle Ages, cakes became fancier with buttercream and intricate decorations, more art than dessert. Baking technology evolved, ovens got better, and cakes rose fluffy and golden. Today, cakes come in all shapes, sizes, and flavors, celebrating every culture's sweet creativity. Modern cakes blend tradition and innovation, making every slice a delight for eyes and taste buds. From bakeries to birthdays, cakes bring joy and togetherness across the world. Ready to see how these delicious wonders come to life? Let's dive into the magic of cake making. First, all ingredients, flour, eggs, sugar, butter, are gathered fresh and ready for mixing. Precision is key. Modern scales measure every gram for perfect consistency. High-speed mixers whip ingredients into a smooth, velvety batter, full of air for fluffiness. See those tiny bubbles? They're the secret to soft, light cakes that melt in your mouth. Flavor magic. Vanilla, chocolate, or fruit essences are carefully blended for that perfect taste. Automated pourers fill cake molds evenly, no spill, no mess, just perfect shapes every time. Inside giant ovens, cakes rise beautifully, turning golden brown as warm air swirls. Quick poke test: if the cake springs back, it's perfectly baked and ready to cool. Fresh from the oven, cakes glide through cooling tunnels, shedding steam and setting their perfect shape. Cream time. Machines pipe silky smooth frosting, spreading a luscious, even coat on every cake. Robotic arms decorate cakes with precision, drizzling chocolate, placing berries, sprinkling nuts perfectly. Quality control teams inspect each cake, ensuring beauty and taste before packing. Rows of decorated cakes travel smoothly down conveyor belts, ready for packaging and shipping. Elegant boxes protect each cake, complete with brand labels and freshness seals. Boxes stacked neatly on pallets, secured and ready for their sweet journey. Refrigerated trucks carry these treasures away, preserving freshness on the road. Arriving fresh, cakes take their place on bakery shelves, tempting every sweet tooth. Happy customers pick their favorite cakes, eyes sparkling with anticipation. Cakes are beautifully arranged, glowing under soft display lights. Chefs slice cakes into perfect pieces, ready to delight hungry guests. Packed carefully, cakes are loaded onto trucks, destined for sweet celebrations. On the road, these cakes travel through bustling city streets, bringing joy far and wide. Fun fact: cakes once symbolized luxury, served only at royal courts and grand feasts. Properly stored, cakes stay fresh and delicious in your fridge for weeks. Today, creative cakes feature unique ingredients, matcha, fresh fruits, even edible flowers, for stunning looks and taste. Layered masterpieces sparkle with delicate decorations, making every slice a work of art. Chocolate lovers rejoice: rich, decadent cakes are a timeless favorite at any party. Innovative cakes brighten every occasion, turning moments into memories. Every bite brings smiles and sweet satisfaction, no matter the flavor. Fresh cream and ripe fruits crown the cakes, adding color and freshness. Beautifully decorated cakes shine under glowing lights, ready to impress. What cake should we make next? Comment below and share your sweetest ideas.